1 and 1/4 hectares with 20 sacks of
Kabayo. Magandang salamat eh. Siyempre.
Nakakadiri. Okay, ihatag. Ayaw na lang balik. Ihatag na. Ayaw na lang balik. Okay, thank you, ma.
Happy birthday to my dear Babang Kumari. I have said to you, I will never miss this birthday because we see a significant turning point in your life. And now that you turn 60, but you are still 60.
Namiya, sir. Ayaw na lang balik, sir. Ihatag na. Okay, for the next blue bill. That will be the 6th blue bill. Blue. Mana po kay Supre. Bulsa lang, sir. Sir! Supre. Gcash, pwede ma'am. May atay kayo ng Gcash. Ala, nibutlong lang. Ala, nibutlong ka dyan. Ha?
Good evening, everyone. I'm very much surprised because I didn't speak that I am a part of this. However, it's my. I feel also happy that you see me. I thought you're still 25 years old. So you're so beautiful, my much now. I do not mention the figure 60. No, there always that it's only a number. No? It's only a number. The bigger, the greater its value. So, welcome to the club because you're already in the height of 60. So, welcome to the club, and I believe that majority of us belong to that age. No, except the okay, so good luck. I wish you all the best. No, thank you.
Okay, thank you, tayo, sir.
Close mo din wala dyan towards Singapore. So, ang wish lang na mo, all the best. Enjoy your life together with us. Mga 60s naman kita. And then, always stay beautiful. As always. Happy life.
Happy birthday ha. Number 1 ka sa mga June. Tapos naman buwas.
Oo lang po, wow. Amazing kayong gift ni ma'am. Kaya isimba dito kaniya ang appeal na to po.
Hello, good evening everyone. Lagi na topic ni Sampo ang actually dili na ako siya classmate pangod na ako. Anyway, Nick, happy birthday. So kami ang nabilong sa batch 1981. So panayon sa imong active o pagkagwapa ng being a TikToker. Panayon ng girl and laban sa kinabuhi. Happy birthday and we love you so much. And thank you for having us in your 68th birthday. Salamat.
Lahat tayo sa imong kauna-una pinisa mo ha. Kung na ito kaon, natagaan mo. Okay. grant your heart is Father. Sabi ko. A true friend of Madam Teresa.
Of course. Of course.
Yes.
Dugay na kayo.
Dugay na dun kayo. So, nakaila dun sila. Okay, this is a quiz game. Pero, wala kang i-prize ha. Pero pwede mo magdala dirang macarons, tubig. Kailangan dyan ang mga premium sa inyo. O balloons, pwede nyo na dalahon. Okay, this is a quiz game. Eh, true friends man kaya mo ni Madam Teresa, no? Okay. What year nibalik si Madam year and month nibalik si Madam Teresa Luis of Philippines from Japan?
2023.
Recently.
2023. Ay, 2024.
Luan ang taon ko. 2024. Is that right, ma'am? Yes. Okay, pwede ka makuha o lima ka macarons dito, no? Ay, pala ka na.
Favorite na ko macarons.
Yes po, ako ay, by the way, sweet corner, the decor, the cake, and the sound system is from me. Pero di bayaran nila, ha? Sabihin mo. Yes, ma'am, mo na mong gawin ng negosyo. Ay, turn, gawin ng ten. Okay, ma'am, please give the gift, then open. Siya ang mag-open, syempre. Wait lang. I-explain ko kung sunod sa iyong gift. Explain lang na may clue. Any clue?
Something na magamit niya sa kanyang pagkalakan.
Ay, amazing pagkalaagan. Magamit sa pagkalaagan. Okay, show it, madam. Ibabasa na to ng bulak, B. Okay na? Wow, it's Philip. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, for the next question. Pila kabuong ang anak ni Ma'am Teresa? Ay! Excited kayo nito kasi, ma'am.
Excited ko kay Nander. Kaya na ako si Chris.
Agani, mga excited ko kay ma'am kasi kaya hindi mo man dyan ikaw na isa lang. Kinsa ang asawa ni Prince?
Kana amoy wala ko kaya. Pero familiar na ko yung face.
Dili dyan daga chismosa mo. Okay,
Yeah.
hatag. Okay, explain it first, ma'am.
Okay. Something na magamit niya kung mag-travel.
Ay, laag gihapon. Confirm, laagan dyan ka, ma'am. Wow, laagan dyan. Pagtapon sa naong para di mailhan sa kiki. Okay. Okay. Next question.